How to use focus mode on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Focus. Focus lets you customize your devices and silence calls and notifications. As you can see, your phone is currently in the Do Not Disturb mode. Tap on Do Not Disturb as shown. On this page, tap on People. You can manage the focus notifications from here. If you select Silence Notifications From, then notifications from selected people will be silenced and sent to Notification Center. If you select Allow Notifications Form, then only notifications from people you select will be allowed. Then, tap on Add below. Choose the contacts you want to add and then tap on the tick icon above. After that, go to the Phone Calls section and tap on Allow Calls From. Here, select Allowed People Only. This will allow incoming calls from only the contacts you added. Now, go back and tap on Apps. Here, tap on Add as shown. Select the apps you want to add and then tap on Done. Then, go back to the Focus page and swipe down from the top right corner. Here, tap on the Focus icon. Tap on Do Not Disturb to turn it on or off. Following these steps, you can easily use focus mode on iPhone.